The Supreme Court will have more time to make a decision about a controversial immigration law. Instead of expiring tomorrow, the temporary block has been extended until March 18th. That's next Monday at 5 p.m. Under Senate Bill 4, which is co-authored by East Texas Senator Brian Hughes of Mineola, police would have the power to arrest migrants who illegally enter the country. The law was halted after the Biden administration sued Texas, but a federal appeals court later ruled the law could go into effect if the Supreme Court declines to weigh in on it.
Fox 51's Ashlyn Anderson is here with reaction as the law remains in limbo. Ashlyn, what can you tell us?
Tyler, Katie, today we spoke with co-author of the bill, Senator Brian Hughes. He says even though this law isn't in effect yet, he's optimistic the Supreme Court will rule in our state's favor. Senate Bill 4 is set to make a big stride against the crisis at our southern border after a temporary pause from the highest court in the land was set to expire March 13th.
We deal with this every day. I mean, this is nothing new. It's just finally been actually addressed.
24 hours before the bill went into law, allowing Texas law enforcement officers to arrest migrants illegally crossing the border is now on hold until March 18th.
This Texas state law is really not the answer. I understand the reaction, but it's really not the answer.
Immigration advocacy groups say the bill is unconstitutional. However, the co-author of this legislation, East Texas State Senator Brian Hughes, says the bill was carefully written.
We looked at Supreme Court precedent, we looked at federal law, the U.S. Constitution, of course, and the Texas Constitution and Texas laws. We believe this goes right down the line of what the states are allowed to do.
Rusk County Sheriff John Wayne Valdez says for decades he's seen and felt the negative effects of illegal border crossings, and it has to be stopped.
This country cannot sustain the amount of people just coming over that border every single day. We just simply cannot.
Immigration attorney Belinda Arroyo believes with this new law, racial profiling will become apparent in our communities.
I think for people coming in initially, that fear is not as great as for those who have been in our communities for 20, 25, 30 years.
Senate Bill 4 centers around defending Texas at the border, something Republican lawmakers say the Biden administration has ignored.
We're not just going to wait around, so we hope to get a good ruling from the Supreme Court. If they go the other way, then we'll come back with another bill.
The bill is still in the hands of the Supreme Court to either approve the right of Texas law enforcement to arrest migrants crossing the border illegally deemed unconstitutional or send it back to the lower courts. Senator Hughes says now when immigrants are arrested, they're processed federally and released into the country, and many don't show up for court. With this bill, he says it keeps those who are arrested in the Texas judicial system and then deported. The court is set to hopefully have a decision by next Monday. In studio, Ashlyn Anderson, Fox 51 News.